It's breakfast time, and here's what we're having today. While we're out camping in the woods, we have our trusty Coleman stove, and today we're having bacon, potatoes, green peppers, and onions. It smells good. I wish you could smell it. And just before this is done, we'll toss in a few eggs. Sit out in the woods, have some breakfast. Nice picnic table. The Forest Service actually provides these picnic tables now. They are very nice. When we were younger, every campsite used to have picnic tables. But then people started destroying them, cutting them up, burning them for wood. People are just careless. People leave trash in campsites. I wish they'd regulate that more. Maybe that's the reason for the numbers, so that they can keep track. But got to get back to my breakfast before I burn it. So hope you enjoyed another video. And again, if you come to the National Forest to camp, to enjoy, please take care of our resources. Have pride in West Virginia.